This animal-based breakfast might look fancy, but honestly, it's so easy, I actually get up early just to make it. First up, the easy carnivore pancake. Grab some eggs, whisk them with baking powder and milk powder, and cook. Super simple. I'm not really a fan of cooking on the stove in the morning, so instead, I pop everything into my Tastee air fryer. See, you don't need a pan for perfect pancakes, and nothing sticks, thanks to that ceramic-coated basket. Next, it's time for the bacon. My Tastee can heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so I can get it crispy in just 5 minutes. Then, I whisk a couple more eggs and make scrambled eggs using the leftover bacon grease. If you haven't tried using that grease to cook, you gotta try it. That smoky flavor, oh, it's just so delicious. And here you go, a high-protein breakfast that's ready to fuel your day. Want more easy recipes for your everyday meals? Check out the link in bio.